Hey, today we'll update VirtualBox on a Fedora Linux box where DNF or yum does not. So when we run a VirtualBox, it provides new package link if an update is available. We'll download it first. We'll try and install it using the package manager, in our case DNF. Let's see how it goes. Mark it yes. It raises a conflict for the existing version, the 5.2. I will just copy the full name and try removing it using the RPM utility. It should be done now. Let's just retry installing it, the new version. Hopefully it should go fine this time. Allow it by yes, and it seems to be progressing fine. Once it does, we'll just run it and check if the correct version is available for us or not, which is 6.1 as we see now. Let's just run it from here itself. Let's go to the about section for this. We'll pull it down, open the about VirtualBox, and yeah, we have the new version here.